Hey guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, just a couple of hours back, I got the news that finally Christ University has opened up its forms for all undergrad courses. For PG and other MBA programs, they had already opened up a few weeks back. However, for all the undergrad courses, they hadn't released the forms earlier. The date was 3rd of Jan and then they moved to January. And finally today it's all out. Guys, this is going to be a detailed video regarding the whole admission process and the application process for Christ University. The first step for all you students is to apply and fill the registration form for Christ University, and in this video I will be taking care of that. So make sure you watch this video till the very end. While I'm helping you guys fill the form, I will also take up a lot of queries and questions that students usually come across when they are filling the form. So guys, as you can see on my screen right now, this is the official website of Christ University. The link to this website I will be putting down in the description below in case you don't have it, and this is how the website of Christ University looks like. Now what you should do is on this corner where you see admissions, please click on that. Here you have all the details regarding the admission process. You have the details regarding courses, the new programs that they've offered in the year 2022, doctoral programs, MBA admission, and all these things. What I'll do is I'll quickly click on undergrad and postgrad admissions. Here guys, you have the list of all the courses. These are various schools: School of Engineering and Technology, School of Law, School of Commerce, Finance, Accountancy, School of Arts and Humanities, School of Business and Management, School of Education, Architecture, Sciences, Social Sciences, all of those. So I have just clicked on the undergrad courses, and here is the list of all courses. In case if you want to inquire about law, so you can click on School of Law, and then you will have details regarding Bachelors of Law Honors, the one in the Delhi NCR campus, the one in the Pune campus, and BBA LLB, BA LLB, all the details are here. Once you click on this, you will have details regarding the particular course, okay, like program details, admission details, entrance test pattern, fee structure, selection process, all these things. Now let me just start filling up the form for Christ University. So let me do it. School of Social Sciences. Here we have psychology. Let me just go through that and I'll click on it. Okay, likewise you could do it for any course. Guys, here are the details. On the right hand side you can see the forms have opened on 11th of January. This is when I'm shooting the video right now, and they are going to be open till 28th of April 2022. Let me just click on apply. The moment you click on apply, the web page will change and you would have a login portal like this. Here details are written like register yourself, verify email or OTP, fill application form online, upload photograph, pay application fees. So click on register, you fill in the name, like my name is Kavach Khanna, email ID, I'll put mine, you guys put yours, you enter the password that is to be done with. Okay. Please verify the registered name as per class 10th record is Kavach Khanna. Change of name will not be accepted after registration. So guys, please make sure you do not make the mistake. Later on, a lot of people come to me that they filled in wrong details, all of that. At least your name shouldn't be wrong. And as per your class 10th board marks or class 10th result card, you should know that the name should match, and mine matches. So let me just confirm that. Okay, so I'll go to my email ID and put in the OTP. So I've gotten the OTP. Guys, the dashboard is open. That means you have registered with Christ University. Now herein too, you have all the details that you need. This is your dashboard. So the status regarding your result would come in here. Inbox, which means any message that Christ University wants to send you would come in here. Any special alerts, they will let you know. And if you want to log out, it will be here. Cancellation policy details are here. Click for support. In case you need their help, you could click on this one. Let me just go back to applications. Now I want to fill form for undergrad courses. So here it is, and you can find the course that you want to go for. Right now, for just the benefit of everybody, I'll just pick up a course that I would want to apply for anybody. But trust me guys, the process for all the courses remain the same. One very important thing that I want to tell you guys, as you could see on the side, they put up hashtags and asterisks. So all the asterisks show that programs are offered in the Banagatta Road campus, and all the hashtags show that the programs are offered in the Kengeri campus. Guys, please do not make the mistake of not knowing which campus that you've applied your course to and later on be like, oh, I did not know that this course is offered in the Kengeri campus or in the Banagatta or in the Delhi NCR. That way, please do not make the mistake. Now let's get started. I will pick up any random course and I will apply it, but the process will remain the same for all the courses, whichever one that you want to apply. Let me do it. Okay, let me do it for BSc Psychology Honors. Okay, I agree to these terms and conditions. You can see it, and herein let me start filling in the details that are required. My first preference will be BSc Psychology Honors in the BGR campus. The second one, let me do it in the Kengeri campus. Third one, I'll do it in the Delhi NCR campus. The date of birth as per my 10th records, I'll just do mine. For the benefit of everybody, let me do it like 2002. Okay guys, this is fake. Obviously I was not born in 2002, but I will put in my phone number, which is mandatory, and let me continue. So the basic information is done. It's the application fees is non-refundable. I agree to that. Accept. Terms and conditions are here. Very important terms and conditions according to the new education policy. I have to accept all of them if I want to apply, so I will. And these are the important information. Let me just fill mine. Do you have Aadhaar card? Yes. Aadhaar card number is not compulsory, so I'm not putting it up. Have you participated? Now this is where some other important things. Have you participated in sports and extracurricular activities? Yes, please write the sports and extracurricular activities that you've done. I've played basketball, I'll do that. I've done debating, I'll put that. I've done dramatics, I'll put that. I have also done festing, so I'll put that. And whatever guys you guys have done, please put those things. Are you differently able? No. Second language, yes, I can do additional English. Okay. Birthplace for mine was Amritsar. I'll do it. State would be Punjab. Religions will be Hinduism. Section will be general. Rural, urban. Let me just do urban. Mobile number, again country code +91. I'm just putting a random phone number here. Mother tongue would be Hindi. Passport details are not mandatory, so I'm not putting it up. I am just putting my random address here. Country will be India. So you guys know the drill. Fill in your basic information. Guys, this is that one section where I don't want you guys to make any mistake. Please don't do it. Later on, a lot of people come to me, bhaiya, wrong marks were filled. I filled in the wrong marks, or visit best of 4, best of 3, all that. So guys, please make sure that you are filling in the right marks. My board was ICSC, so I will put ICSC, name of institution, other, and I'll just put my school's name. So you guys too put your school's name. Country of institution for me would be India. My school was in Uttarakhand, so I have done that. Number of attempts 1. Year of passing for my class 10th would be 2020. Month of passing would be what? April. Marks obtained. Guys, please note the thing that has come up. Please enter the obtained marks in the field. In case if the marks are in credit or CGPA, converted into percentage and enter. For CBSE board, please multiply the obtained CGPA with 9.5, else marks will be void. If you have obtained 9.2, multiply with 9.5, which is 87.4%. So I hope guys this is clear to each one of you. Just click on OK. So I'll just put a random number, let's say 92. The maximum marks of all the subjects should be entered herein. If there are 5 subjects, each subject is out of 100, then please enter 500, else enter 100. If it is converted to percentage, mine is already converted to percentage, so I just put 100. Class 11th and 12th, I will do it again. Uttarakhand, ISC, sorry. University or board will be ISC. State of institution, mine was Uttarakhand. Number of attempts, year of passing will be 20. Guys, this one I'm filling in for class 11th, and you guys also should fill in for class 11th in case you haven't given your boards already. So please make the note. I know nobody's done their class 12, so you don't need to freak out that oh I do not have my class 12 marks. How do I go about it? Previous examination registration number 121212. I'll just put my marks in 11th. Again, it's mentioned, guys. You know the drill. Do it. I'll just put 95% out of 100. The marks in 11th. Whatever your marks are, guys, please fill in that. Backlogs in previous semester or years to be cleared. Mine is no. Father's name, guys, please put in your details. Okay, I am just putting Mr. KKK. All the other things is not required. Mrs. Okay guys, you also need to fill in the income per annum. Let me just do it 10 lakh to 12 lakh. Income per annum for my mother. Let me just do that. You need to fill in your guardian's phone number. So do that. How did you know about the institution? You could write alumni. Okay guys, so you need to upload the photo. So please choose your file and click on submit. It says please verify the application form details before submission. So guys, please make sure that you go through all the details. I would click on submit. All my things are done, and now comes the payment part. For venue, both the process are going to be online, even if you are an NRI or an Indian student. So just click on online process. The dates are here as follows, and these are the different rounds for the application process at Christ University. So there is the round on 13th of March 2022. That will be the first round. Then there is the round in April, which is 3rd of April 2022. And then there is a round in May, which is the 8th of May 2022. Guys, you guys already know the theory of round 1 versus round 2 versus round 3. So please check that up. I would fill in for round 1. I agree. These are my details: credit card, debit card, net banking, UPI. I click on that. The amount that I need to pay for BSc Psychology on course is 1500. Please accept online payment terms and conditions and play online. So from here in, the portal would open up wherein you have to pay 1500 rupees to Christ University. You could do it through whatever means of payment you want to do it, be it UPI, QR, all of that. The moment you pay this money, you will receive the official confirmation from Christ University that your fees is paid for the application form and you have been registered for the course, and the process will start on the dates mentioned to you, and you would receive further intimation from the university. Guys, I would not be paying the money because obviously I do not need to fill in the form, but you just click on that and it will be done. I will be ending this video here, and I hope the video has cleared all your doubts regarding how you need to fill the form for Christ University. In case if you have more doubts, you can please comment below and I will surely try replying to that. Please like this video if you like the content that I'm putting out. At the same time, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you guys do not miss out any updates that I put. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Take care. I'll see you soon with another video. Bye bye.